chapter 1, verse 20 and the following verses. At ang pangalan niya ay si Jesus. Then, that is the first advent. Isaiah 66, it is all about the millennial king, the new heavens and the new earth, which will happen in the future. But it was already prophesied in the book of Isaiah. Kaya ang prophecy, mga kapatid, the term prophecy, may dalawa itong meaning. Una, yung foretell. Pag sinabing foretell, foretelling the future is talking about yung foresight niya sa magaganap in the future. Kaya kitang-kita natin yan sa mga propeta sa lumang tipan. No? Magpapahayag sila ng mga mensahe patungkol sa Panginoon, and it will happen. Nagaganap po ito. Kasi nga, no, hindi pa merong